Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Totino's party pizza in the air fryer. So all we need is frozen party pizza, no need to defrost. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. So first we're going to preheat the air fryer. Now if you've been watching my videos, you know that I never preheat the air fryer. Cooking pizza in the air fryer is the only exception to this, because I want to heat the air fryer so it's hot and it helps brown the crust. So it's the only time you'll see me doing it. Let's preheat the air fryer. So I'm going to turn it on for the temperature of 400 degrees on the highest setting. And I'm going to preheat it for 3 minutes. I just want to get the pan hot so it helps brown the crust. So now the air fryer is preheated, so I'm going to open up the package. And now let's take out the air fryer basket, and we'll put this party pizza in the air fryer basket. So just be careful, don't touch the basket because the basket is preheated. And now I'm going to put the basket in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit, and let's set the time to 10 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at Totino's pizza. Perfect, that looks amazing. The cheese is melted and it's nicely browned and it's perfectly cooked. Now, if it's not cooked to your liking, you can always put it back in the air fryer and cook it for a few more minutes. But I know this is the time it works for my air fryer. So let's take this out. Perfect. Look at this pizza. So good. And now let's try it. So I'm just going to cut a little piece and I'll show you the bottom too. So see, there's bottom crust. It's also brown, so preheating the air fryer definitely helped. And the top is perfectly cooked where the cheese is soft and gooey. But it's not burned. A lot of times with cooking pizzas in the air fryer, it burns on the top if the temperature is too high. But with this temperature, we avoided that, so the cheese is melted, but it's not burned. The crust is brown. Let's try it. You hear the crunch as I'm chewing it. It's crunchy crust, very hot filling, perfectly gooey cheese. That's exactly what this pizza should be. Air fryer method is so much better than the microwave. Microwave just makes pizza soggy, but air fryer makes it crispy. Tastes amazing. Give it a try, you will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!